Alright, what is going on, guys? It's the Z guy here bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove wheel locks on a 350Z. Funny story, I lost the wheel lock key, so instead of going out trying to find a new one, trying to buy one from somewhere, I'm just going to show you how to take it off without the key. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I already took one off the other side. So what you need is, for this specific car, it's a 19mm socket and it's a 12 point. The reason why I'm using the 12 point is because it gets around the whole entire thing a lot better. So all you do is just hammer it in. I'm going to show you that right now. We're going to take it off. Hopefully it's not that difficult because the last one only took less than a minute. Alright, now let's give it a try. Yep, I got it. I hope so. Voila. There we go. Woo. That one is off. Alright guys, if you're watching this right now, that's the end of the video. Some more content is coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later. Peace.